Kim's Open Door. I'm so excited to be with you all today, and I wish that I can give each and every one of you a giant hug. But here we are. So today, I am going to teach you all about music. How many of you all love to sing? Me too. How many of you all play an instrument? Me too. Great. Well, let's go ahead and jump into it. Well, first, we're going to start off by learning the names of the most common notes used in music. Okay? So, repeat after me. This is a whole note. Can you say whole note? Good job. Next, we have the half note. Can you say half note? Great. We have here the quarter note. Can you say quarter note? And lastly, we have the eighth note. Can you say eighth note? Good job. So let's review those again. Whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note. So now that we know the names of the notes, let's learn what they do. Each note has a different beat. And today we're going to be referring to these beats in common time, which means 4/4. So, a whole note gets 4 beats. A half note gets 2 beats. A quarter note gets 1 beat. And an eighth note gets half of a beat. So we're going to do this fun exercise, and I want you guys to repeat after me. It goes like this. This is a whole note. And you'll say, this is a whole note. And then I will count, and I will say, whole. And then you'll try. So here we go. Are you ready? Great. This is a whole note. Whole. Good job. Now let's move on to the half note. Repeat after me. This is a half note. Half, half. Great job. Up next, we have our quarter note. Are you guys ready? This is a quarter note. Quarter, 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 quarter. Great job. And lastly, we have our eighth note. Now this one's a little fast, so get your hands ready to clap. Here we go. This is an eighth note. Eighth, 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 eighth. Great job, guys. All right, well, to review, we're going to go through these one more time. Join with me. This is a whole note. Whole. This is a half note. Half, half. Good job. This is a quarter note. Quarter, 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 quarter. This is an eighth note. Eighth, 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 eighth. Great job, guys. Keep practicing those beats and those notes, and you'll be a pro before you know it. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, take care.